What's up, buds? It's Fly High FPV, and I hope you're enjoying these prize videos as much as I am, because Sloss Drone Derby is only a couple weeks away, and we got more prizes coming in than ever. This amazing prize package is from Tattu. Thank you so much. We love the batteries. Tattu is known for having some of the lightest and most powerful batteries on the market. These are the R-Line 5s, 1050s. Next, we've got the R-Line 5 1200s. I love these batteries so much. I actually got Tattu to put my name on them. So if you don't win these this weekend, I'll have them on site at the event, and you can get loaded up with these super light batteries. They're less than 200 grams for 1200 mAh, and they really push the power. Absolutely love them. Then we've got some Whoop batteries as well. These are 1S high volt 300 mAh 5 packs, so you'll get a whole pile of them to go with your Whoop. These are perfect for racing or freestyle. We're gonna have 2 Whoop flight lines this year at Sloss Drone Derby. The shed that we used last year is getting overinflated to the max with all sorts of blow up fun things to fly through. And then we'll do Whoop racing under the water tower at night. Lots and lots of fun. Dude, check out this mat. These mats are so nice. It's like a build mat, bench mat. There's 5 of them we're giving away. Hats too. Thank you so much, Tattu. We really appreciate your support, and I'll see y'all at Sloss Drone Derby. Go get your ticks right now, and don't forget, there is a volunteer meeting on Thursday. That's tomorrow, that volunteer meeting. You can go to slossdronederby.org/discord to join the Discord, and everybody's welcome. Thanks again, Tattu, Jen Zace. We really appreciate y'all. Less is more, and they really prove that with these super light batteries. I'll see y'all at Sloss Drone Derby.